I was gonna go that way, but I don't know that way. That's the thing. So I'm just gonna go this way like I always do. What time it is? How much we got, y'all? 2:25. You think I can make it to there around like 3:30? I'm about to see. I think I can make it. Somebody's coming. Ooh, somebody is coming. But we're gonna go right in front of them. Turn this way. That's a dead end. I almost failed, bro. Just sad. I feel like we're gonna make it. I gotta be to work at 4:30, and the train is only my transportation. Well, this is my transportation, but I'm getting there faster. It's the train, cause it put me right there. Come on, BMW. Go through here. Ooh. This way, she going that way? Which way is she going? Sometimes the cars be confusing me. I don't know which way they going, especially in Florida. Florida don't like to tell you anything, boy. They ain't school out, so. Good thing about this is school's still in. A little bit. Guys, so change the plans. I only got like a little more minutes. I don't think I'm gonna make it, because to get on the train I gotta be on 3:20. I thought it was 3:35, just like the other ones. I probably was looking at the wrong ones, so I'm kind of trying to make it. Dang, I wish I was looking at the right ones. Thought I wasn't. I'm putting my AirPod in because some people just looking at me like, bro, what's wrong with this man? This man talking to himself. Don't you go. Wrong AirPod. Right one. Yes, I know I'm on the wrong side, but on this side, the reason I'm on this side because it's easier. Shit, make sure I don't drop my AirPods and nothing like that in my car. Alright, we good. Know where I'm putting it in my pocket. Pocket is deep for that, so. go after this. Yep. No face, 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 no face. Oh. What time it is? Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna make it. Yeah, I'm definitely about to make it, y'all. Have a zoom up here. Make sure I don't slide. Pool table. Ooh, that's a nice amount of cars in there. Alright, so it is. Yeah, we definitely about to make it. I thought we wouldn't. I just gotta ride this bike. Just say, probably gotta ride this bike at least for like 6 months. And I'll be back like moving more faster. So I wanna be able to pedal in 3rd gear. Right now I pedal at 3rd gear when I'm just riding like 18 miles. I wanna be able to pedal on riding. I wanna be able to pedal 20 or 21 while I'm just chilling. Can I go up these stairs? Ooh. I let that bike go like it was nothing. I should do them stairs. One day I want to go inside one of the warehouses and ride and come back out. Alright, we almost at a train station, so we on good timing. I thought we weren't gonna make it. Psych, I know we was gonna make it. Give me something to drink. I'm so thirsty, bro. Who's waiting for me?